This is a video that I'm going to do on Israel's volcanoes. We're going to start with Mount Perez. Get it in 2D here. There you go, 3D. All right, Mount Perez is a volcanic mountain located in central Golan Heights. Its highest point is 929 meters above sea level, or about 200 meters, which is 660 feet above ground level. The mountain is in the southernmost of a series of dormant volcanoes that stretches up the northern parts of the Golan Heights. On top of the mountain is a well-preserved crater, and it is 115 feet deep. Anyways, you guys, let's see if we have a view on this one. I'm going to back out. And we're looking around here, and I do not see one there. So back out a little bit more. Sometimes and back out more we can, but I don't see one on this one. Well, we have one over here. So let's go over here. We'll see what's over there. And if we look back that way, I don't know what this is, but this is kind of cool. Okay, it says Kentberg. Looks old and geologic. Okay, so can't see the mountain that's over in this area. So back up we go. And our next one is Horns of Hatan. Or Carnell Hatan. There you go. This is an extinct volcano with twin peaks overlooking the plains of Hatan and the lower Galilee, Israel. So that's the TD. Go back up and we'll see if we have any views here. And it seems we do. We have one right at the top. Check out this view. Wait for it to clear a second. Wow. See out there, that's the water. People, let's look over this way. I think that's the two. What a drop, huh? Okay, and back up. We're going to go to the road area real quick. Go down here. I think that's the road area. It might be, or it might be towards the top still. I think we're still on top. Yep, we're still on top. We'll go down here to the road. Let's go down. We'll go here. All right, there we can see it's back in this area here. And that's the Horns of Hatan. And moving on to the next one. The next one is Ram Crater. Ram Crater is a crater lake, and it's in the northeast Golan Heights near Mount Hermon. The lake has also been known by the epithet of Lake Fela. Most geologists believe that the lake formed inside the crater of an extinct volcano. So this is the crater here, and we'll see if we have any views over in this area here. We have one, maybe it's on the lake. Cool, let's see. So it's ugly. But anyway, here it is. And small. Looks like a boat out there. But this is inside a crater. You can see the top. Sorry, you guys. It's the way the pictures on this were put together. And moving on to the next one, Mount Bental. Mount Bental is part of a chain of volcanoes spanning along the eastern edge of Israel's Golan Heights. I don't know if there's a view on this one. So we'll go over here and see. We have one. We have some over there too. We'll go to this one. It seems to be the best, I think. Maybe. Oh, there we go. Check that out. You can see the other side over here. And this was it here. And moving on to the next one, which is Mount Barren. Mount Barren is part of a volcano, and it's extinct, in the northeastern Golan Heights. And we have a view from this one as well. My little pegman doesn't want to land. Hang on. Let's do this again. Oh, we have one here. Okay, we'll go there. There we go. Looks like we have a warning sign up here. And looks like geologic sites here as well. Maybe. Or water. And moving on to Mount Mahosac. Some of these are clearly not very visible, but they're there. Mount Mahosac is part of an extinct volcano in eastern Golan Heights. Now, our next one is Mount Ram. Mount Ram is part of an extinct volcano in the northern Golan Heights. And you can see there's not more or less here. And let's see if we have a view down this way. We do not, as far as I can tell, so 2D. Seems to light up, but I can't, maybe, I don't know. Let's see. No street data available. We don't have one here. So moving on to the next one, Mount Shafan. Mount Shafan is part of an extinct volcano in the northeastern part of the Golan Heights. And the we're going to see if there's a view on this one. There's a road here. And there does not appear to be. Our next one is Mount Odom, or Ras Al Amhar. This is also part of an extinct volcano in the northern Golan Heights. And I haven't been able to find much more information other than these were parts of extinct volcanoes at one point. And there's a view over here. So let me do this. Blue. We'll see what we see. Not sure what this is. And anyways, this is up on top of it, and it seems that they're using it for other things. Check out, I think those are clouds over here. Clouds up in the sky. That's wild. I'm not sure what this is. And moving on to our next one, Mount Avital. Mount Avital is also part of an extinct volcano in the northeastern Golan Heights. Let's see, that's a mountain reserve as well. So we're going to go over and look from here. And the area we're looking at is back here. Looks like sand dunes. Might be snow. Yeah, it's snow. Wow. Wild. Wonder what the other one was. Had one here. We have one here. We go over here. Okay, let's go up here. So anyways, this is the side of Mount Avital here. Sorry, just looking at something. Notice formations on the ground. Moving on to our next one, Mount Bnai, Rasam. There's also a power station up there. And this is part of an extinct volcano in the eastern Golan Heights. Atop the mountain is the Golan Heights wind farm. So let's see if there's a closer view. This is a wind farm up here. There might be, so we're going to come up here, and I thought I saw one there. We'll go here. All right, so it didn't land there. We'll try that again. You can see one of them there. There's one of the wind turbines up here that they use to create energy. Whoa, huge. Looks almost like a missile. Moving on to our next one, Mount Varda. Tal Varda. Tal. Mount Varda is part of an extinct volcano in the northern Golan Heights. I don't know. There might be a view here. Maybe. I don't see one. And there's not one. But I was looking at this formation down here. It's really cool looking. Let's go down. You see it's like a step. There you go. Check these out. I'm not sure what those are. I see a few of them, but I'm not sure what those are. These round circles here. There's one here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are interesting looking. Maybe they're animal pens. There's another one here. Anyway, moving on to the next one. Mount Yosifan, or Tal Yusuf. Tal Yusuf is part of an extinct volcano in the central Golan Heights. We're going to see if we have a view here. I saw the road area light up, but it didn't show a spot, so. So there's not one there. Moving on to the next one. Mount Hermonit, or Tel al-Sheikh. Tel al-Sheikh is part of an extinct volcano in the northern Golan Heights. And let's see if we have any views on this one. Solid blue, but nothing. And we have none here. We have some down here. Maybe we can see it if we go, oh, wait, over here. Woohoo, yeah. Okay, and there's one there too. Yay, okay, so we're in a field over here. Hey, I'm seeing what one of these circle things is. Okay, so interesting. It's a tank. What was that? A fortification, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so I've totally lost the mountain. Where's the mountain? Maybe we were on the mountain. All right. Let's go back over on the other side. We want closer. Closer. Right here. We'll go this one. I thought there was one on the other side. Well, it was over there. Okay, so we'll go here. We're looking from the back side. So we have to turn all the way around. Oh, I hope we're not in the same area again. Oh, people. So our area is over here, behind these bushes. There we go. Up there. Check out that stadium. That is like really cool. Never mind the people. Check that out. Okay, so the mountain is up here. I'm like all about this. This is cool. Had to be an old town. Anyway, on to the next one. Mount Kremem, Tel Sadr al-Arus. And this is part of an extinct volcano in northern Golan Heights. Anyways. And our last but not least is Tel Saki. I'm going to back out a little bit. And Tel Saki is a small extinct volcano in the southern Golan Heights. And I think there might be a view from this road here. So we're going to look. Oh, there's views up here too. Yay! Okay, so maybe we can get a few views. Check that out. Okay, those remind me of that round circle in that one place. Stonehenge. This is like Stonehenge. These are different looking. Anyway, this is an extinct volcano up here. Very interesting. Let's go over here. See if we can get another view. I don't know if we went on this side already. Okay, so anyway, you can look down this way. Foxhole. Check that out. Anyways, this is the Golan Heights. Okay, guys, well, that's the end of my video for volcanoes and extinct volcanoes in Israel. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please like and subscribe and share our videos. Also, check the website for the map and feel free to download the KML for your Google Earth. Thank you, guys. Much love and have a great day.